Today in our Fontana oven, we are making ratatouille or Tian Provençal. Today was an extra special day because my teenage son asked if he could help make this week's recipe video. This dish requires a lot of chopping and dicing of veggies and herbs, and he did a great job. The ingredients are pretty much the same in ratatouille and Tian Provençal, but ratatouille is more of a stew. Although historically this has been called a peasant's dish, it is absolutely packed with flavor. You've got your sautéed onions and garlic, tomatoes, your thyme, crushed red pepper, eggplant, zucchini, squash, and I've even read a few recipes where people will sometimes add lavender. We covered ours loosely and placed it in the Fontana oven. And we had so many chopped veggies left over that we made a second batch as well. Look how good it turned out. My son was so proud, and I'm so proud of him. You can find the recipe to make this at fontanaforniusa.com. Buon appetito!